Hello everyone, it's Ben from TV Parts Today. Welcome to another removal video. We're gonna be getting into a Samsung UN55MU6300. So we're just gonna be pulling the boards out of this unit, showing you how to remove all the various clips and things like that. If you have any further questions, you can leave them down below in the comment section or give us a call at 1-800-203-7484, and let's get right into it. First up is the main board. We're not going to need any sort of screw gun, screwdriver, anything to get this board out. There are some clips going around the outside here. We're just going to go ahead and start with these ribbon cable connections. Get your fingernail up underneath the flap, pop them up, and these should just pull right out. This clip right here is going to have two like buttons basically on the sides that you're going to want to depress. And that should just come right out. If you need to, walk it back and forth very gently. This clip down here is going to have a flap on the top that you're going to want to depress with your fingernail. It pops it up over that ridge and it just slides right out. These two are very similar as well. So use your thumbnail, depress those little flaps on the board. If they're giving you any issues like this one is, just push it right back in until it clicks, and then try it maybe from a different angle or with both your hands here. And they should come right out as well. So after we have all of the clips and everything removed from the board, this is going to basically be a screwless removal. So we're going to look for the little tab, which is right here in the top right corner. We're gonna very gently bend the board up over that tab and then slide the whole thing out of the chassis, and then it comes free, and that's it. Now on to the power supply board. There are just going to be two clips here and here that we need to get free from the board. Very similar to the style on the main board. You just depress the two clips on either side and then slowly just walk it out. It should just come right free. This one's going to be the exact same thing. You're just going to pinch down on the two sides of it and you're just going to slowly walk it out of there. If you need to give it a little bit more pressure to get it out, it's fine. And then we just have about 5 screws here, and this power supply should be free from the chassis. And that's all she wrote. All right, pretty simple stuff here today. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments section. If you'd like to see us tear down a specific model, leave it down there as well. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you do subscribe, you can qualify for 20% off your first order through TV Parts Today, and we will see you next time.
Thank you for watching another TV Parts Today repair video. If you have a question regarding your TV repair, post a comment and we will try to help. And don't forget, you can help us and stay up to date by subscribing, liking, and sharing our content. Also, check us out on Facebook for exclusive promo codes.